What's going on? It's your boy Bog and Cut, and I'm back with another tutorial for y'all. Be showing y'all how I did this high taper. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm gonna be doing the neck taper first. I'm gonna start with my ball guideline. Then I'm gonna come back clipper open. To erase this panel, you go halfway, quarter, close. Halfway, quarter, close. Fade this panel in. After you get finished with this, I'm gonna jump to my 1.5 guard since I cut the hair down to a 1.5. I'm gonna jump to my 1.5 guard all the way open. I'm gonna start down fading. 1.5 open, halfway close, and then I'm gonna jump to my 1 guard open, halfway close. With my half guard closed, then I'm gonna jump to my 1 guard open, halfway closed, and I don't need the half guard because the lever on this clipper is longer, so all I need is to blend these two panels together is my clipper open. So I'm gonna jump back to that after I finish with this 1 guard closed. I really wanted to focus on this high taper. It's been real controversial, so I just wanted to talk about this mid to high taper, whatever people calling it now. The way I learned it is if it ain't got no C cup, it's a high taper. So right here, I'm just balding out with my clipper all the way closed. I'm going up about 1/4 of an inch. I want to keep this taper real low, this high taper real low, because that's the way he like it. And you can see how his hair grow. It really curls up right there. So if you took this taper too high, you're going to kill his waves. So you want to keep this taper real low. Set that panel in about 1/4 of an inch, and I'm going to go halfway, quarter close, and I'm going to fade this panel away. I made a post yesterday about a mid taper with no C cups. Then I'm going to jump to my 1 guard all the way open. I'm going to start down fading. Just hitting right there at the line, getting these two panels to blend together. Like I said, I want to keep this taper low as possible. To me, it's still a high taper since it ain't no C cup. But a lot of barbers saying just because the blend is not that high on a high taper that it's a mid taper. So y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section. I was taught it's only 3 tapers, high, mid, and low. Mid and low got a C cup. High don't have a C cup. Right here, I just got my 1 guard closed. I'm going to smooth this hair back down. Since it curl up, you want to lay this hair back down. If you ever cut this texture, you know exactly what I'm talking about. He got like 2 different textures. The waves on top and some of the sides are lay down, but right here in this temple area, his hair like to curl up. So I'm just flicking at that line, just easing my way down with this 1 guard closed. Then I'm going to come back with my half guard, but I'm really going to be using it just to rake at the hair, just to get it to lay down, because like I said, it curls up right here in this area. And if I was to try to take this blend any higher than what I am, it's going to mess the whole haircut up because of the density issues and the texture of the hair. It's going to end up taking it too high and it's going to turn into something horrible, just a blowout taper. So I'm just flicking right here at this line to get these 2 panels to blend together. After I get finished with that, I'm going to come back with my razor comb and I'm going to finish blending these 2 panels together. You got a 1/2 inch side and you got an inch side. Start off with my inch side. And like I said, these hairs right here curl up. So I just want to take them off and get them to blend without taking this fade too high. I tried to record the line up, man, but I forgot to turn the autofocus back off, so I didn't get to get the line up. I recorded it, but it just keeps cutting in and out, focusing, so I didn't get to record it. Well, I recorded it, but I didn't put it in the video. Right here, I'm just lining up the neck. And like I said, let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section. And like I said, all across the country, people got their own versions of the haircuts. So there's really no wrong answers. Whatever your client, if your client happy with it, then I'm happy with it. My client love it. He told me he love it, so and that's what he want. He want to keep the fade low as possible. So just the final finished cut right here. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. I still consider it a high taper, but some might say it's a mid taper because I didn't take the blend up so high, but I still consider it a high taper. And it came out clean too. But that's what I was talking about the focus, man. I tried to get the line up, but it just wasn't focusing right. I forgot to turn off the autofocus. I appreciate y'all for watching. That's the cut, man.